Cotton. Have you seen the pillows being stitched? Pillows are filled with cotton wool. Where do we get these cotton wools from? We get them from cotton plants. Cotton plants are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. Gujarat is the leading cotton growing state in India. The fruits of the cotton plant, known as cotton balls, are about the size of lemon. After maturing, the balls burst open and the seeds covered with the cotton fibers can be seen. Cotton is usually picked by hand from the cotton balls in the cotton plant. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning of cotton. Ginning was traditionally done by hand. These days, machines are also used for ginning. Jute. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. It is cultivated during the rainy season. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. The jute plant is normally harvested when it is at flowering stage. Do you know how do we get jute fiber from jute plants? The stems of the harvested plants are immersed in water for a few days. The stems rot and fibers are separated by hand.